I am Stanton, and I am a U.S. Senator. And today I am arguing why you should let me into your precious bunker to escape all the zombies. This debate should be decided with a weighing mechanism on balance. In other words, whoever has the best arguments that they should get in should win. Obviously. My first contention, and only contention, is leadership. Having served in the Senate for several years, I am a natural-born leader and negotiator. Also, I served in the military before the Senate, as many do, so I know how to fight. I can lead us through this trying time to make a better future with exactly 0 zombies. I can help set up the new world, the united survivors of America. The new USA. I can lead us to the future dramatically. Thank you.
This debate should be decided on who knows the most of how this apocalypse could have happened by studying past events. First, as a historian, I know a lot of history, so if an event like this one in the past happened in the past, we can study it and see how it was resolved, and then thrive once we find our solution. Secondly, if there's any children in the bunker, I can provide them with education so we can get out of the bunker and the children can pass on the teachings.
My weighing mechanism is on balance for who has the best argument. My first contention is my agility. As a waiter, I am fast on my feet and have excellent balance. If a zombie tried to get us, I can run away quickly. My second contention is my fast thinking. If a person wanted something different, I have to get it swiftly and easily and understand their requests. My third and final contention is my ability to handle rejection. I get yelled at a lot and can understand if you don't want to take me into the bunker. My recap is my first contention is agility, my second contention is fast thinking, and my third contention is the ability to handle rejection. Thank you.
My name is Neil and I am a tailor. This debate should be decided on the net benefits for human civilization. My first contention is that I can use my tailor scissors and rulers to cut and stab the zombies. As the apocalypse nears, we must have the weapons to defend ourselves and save human civilization. My tailor scissors can do just the trick, while my rulers will help us measure the scale of our attacks. My second contention is that we can use my suits to repel the zombies. Zombies are always dressed in rags and tatters, right? Well, in exchange for survival, I can dress the zombies in suits and pants, so they look classy for each brain they eat. So, for a recap, my first contention is that I can use my tailor tools to kill the zombies, and my second contention is that I can dress the zombies well.
I'm a secretary, and I think this debate should be decided on who can help the people in the bunker the most. Okay, so my first contention is I can answer calls. As a secretary, most of my job is answering calls, taking messages, and handling correspondence. So if anyone needed to book an appointment or something, I could do it for them. I could call 911 if we're all dying, because that's probably what's going to happen anyways. I can help people arrange, so let's say they have a lawyer case during the zombie apocalypse. I can help them arrange it. Okay, my second contention is I can manage databases. If anyone needs help with the data, because for some reason they do, I can help them with it. In recap, I can help people answer calls and take messages, and I can help manage their databases.
I think this debate should be judged by who can help the people the most. My first contention is that since I'm a singer, I can help calm people down with my soothing voice. According to all history books, during the World Wars, a singer was noticed and later became a known music artist. She was also known for helping calm the people down during dark times. My second contention is that I have connections. if the bunker was ever on the brink of being taken over, I will be able to find us a new place to stay because of all the friends I have. Just imagine having another bunker in Costa Rica. To recap, I'll be a good candidate for being allowed in the bunker because of my ability to calm people down and my ability to find us a new place to stay.
All right, well, I'm pleased to announce that we have a tie.
Again.
We have a tie again between the tailor and the historian. So, we're going to give you 5 more minutes to prepare a second case and include rebuttal components if necessary.
Judges, my opponent states that she will know the history of other apocalypses and know how to record the history of the bunker and the apocalypse. She doesn't actually present how we would survive and kill all the zombies, meaning that we would just rot and die in the bunker, meaning that this would not actually be supporting human civilization, but going against it. I, however, presents not only a way to kill the zombies with measured attacks, but a way to harmonize with the zombies, at least temporarily, to ensure that we can set up new cities and new civilizations in our ravaged world. Another contention I have is I will keep good spirits up in the bunker because everybody feels better when they're dressed for success, and I can ensure that everybody is ready to do that.
Why should you let me into the bunker? Well, I know so much about history that I can help us with all of our problems. The tailor has crazy ideas and could lead us into danger, but I have sophisticated and traditional ideas that of course have worked in the past. Do you really want someone with insane ideas to stay in your bunker? What if you're led into danger? That means your only choice is me, the one with the right ideas. And if I get chosen, we all will survive with great and working ideas up our sleeves. Dressing zombies in suits, that's incredibly dangerous and we could all die or become zombies.
Alrighty, let's see what we got here.
Let's do the future.
Please tell me we don't have to tie again.
All right, I am proud to announce that there has been another tie.
What? Okay, what were the votes? Are they like, oh, never mind.
Nobody changed
It's
their
2-2.
Guys,
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You survived.
who
Alrighty.
voted